You making another one?
Yep. And it's about his daily life. Mason, get the camera, bro. You're holding the camera. Hey, Brody.
Gotta get them toes.
Hey. You want them toes? Come on, Brody. Oh, dang. I just blocked something. Hey, Brody, trying to get that toy.
Come on, Brody.
Make sure I snatch them toes, too.
Come on, Brody. Brody.
Mason, stop squeaking that.
Oh my God, they have a rumble. Rumble. They have a rumble fight.
Just don't pull it.
Huh?
Don't pull it.
Ah. Mason, move. You blocking Brawly.
You're out there.
Ray! My video. It's already a minute. I can see my slippers. Now, homie.
You gotta get them toes, huh?
Brody.
Richard, you're blocking my camera. Richard, you're blocking my camera.
Take him outside of there, Richard. Why you?
Why do you give it to him in the bed?
Maybe, man. Look, take him to the bed. Richard, the other way.
Out the way to the door, dum dum. Oh, dang, Mason. Mason. Mason, you're blocking my camera. Mason, get out my camera.
Take it, just take this. Just take it.
I hope I can edit this though. Like edit you guys out of blocking my camera.
Just get Richard's toes. Just get his toes. Get his toes.
I'm still recording. It's already 2 minutes.
You get his toes. You get his toes.
Go get Brawly. Go get Brawly. What? Get Brawly.
Brawly. Come on, Brawly. Come on, Brawly. Come on, Brawly. Oh, jeez.
Mason, stop.
There. Brawly.
Now the dog is drinking water.
Mrs. over here.
The dog.
Probably one of y'all.
No, the dog slime.
Probably no. I'm saying one of y'all.
Brawly.
When should I end the video? It's already 4. Mason, get the camera, bro.
Then yo, his butt all over the camera.
This is supposed to be a video about the dog, not Mason.
How about your cheeks, my boy?
The dog's daily life.
Probably called Mace's Daily Cheeks. Camera all over the butt.
Mason's daily shit.
He backed up like 3 times on the freaking camera.
Why do you bring him so close to me? Like instead of going that way or through here, he goes my way. Now the dog is tired. What does the dog, Mason? If you don't move your body out this camera,
I'm not in the camera.
I can still see you in the camera. No, you can be in the camera, just like don't be so close.
Scream. Scream.
Dun it.
Scream will come from.
Alright.
Why did you say that?
What?
Scream like 3 times.